When you experience luxury in the lap of nature, you'd really not wanna end your trip and go back home. Welcome to Travel Eva 07. If you are a fan of our videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on any of the upcoming videos. I would like to acknowledge and thank Travel Top List for the rankings this list is based on. Before we start, I'm up with something to keep you motivated to watch this video. A riddle, answer to which is in the video itself. So there you go. You have a blue sky above, a blue sky beneath. Don't abandon me when I sing. What am I? Drop your answers at the comment section. Let's start with the video. Number 10. Burj Al Arab Dubai UAE. The Burj Al Arab, meaning Tower of the Arabs, is a luxurious 5-star hotel. This wonder of the modern world is the 4th tallest hotel in the world. The shape of the building is reminiscent of ship's sail. It has a helipad, and Tom Wright designs the hotel. It also claims to be a 7-star hotel. Despite its size, the Burj Al Arab accommodates only 28 double-story floors, 202 luxurious bedroom suites. Perched on the 25th floor of the Burj Al Arab in Dubai, the royal suite is a sight for sore eyes. Number 9. Hotel Plaza Athénée, Paris, France. True to its extraordinary city, the Brunei-owned historic hotel is no ordinary hotel. This tree-lined boulevard of French fashion offers guests the very best of Paris. On the 5th floor is the biggest suite of the French hospitality industry. You get to relish the sights of the Eiffel Tower from the hotel. Guests have a private kitchen and a steam room to themselves and enjoy French Regency fabric and furniture. Number 8. Palms Casino Resort, Las Vegas. The Las Vegas Palms is famous for high roller living, and what better way to really indulge in the Sin City than cavorting in one of their luxury rooftop suites like the 2-story Sky Villa. The suite accommodates up to 52 guests for a get-together and boasts an enclosed pool overlooking the Strip. A rotating bed, gym, media room, and 17-seat full bar make this a perfect spot to fulfill the fantasy of living in style. Number 7. Hotel Martinez, Cannes, France. The Hotel Martinez is a famous Art Deco style grand hotel on the Croisette at Cannes. This hotel is a prominent feature of luxury living in France. Established in 1929 by a noble Italian family, this art style decor is unmistakable. You can enjoy the scenic view of the southern French city from the hotel. Part of its exclusive features include guests having the luxury of personal jacuzzi overlooking the Bay of Cannes. This hotel accommodates 409 rooms, including 99 opulent suite, private beach, bar, and a spa to tranquilize yourself. Number 6. Grand Resort Legonissi, Athens, Greece. Grand Resort in Legonissi is one of the best luxury beach resorts of Athens Riviera, offering endless choices of luxurious accommodation. This extravagant hotel located on the Athenian Riviera has 10 restaurants, 197 rooms and 76 luxurious suites. It offers concierge facilities like helicopter lift, yacht hire, chauffeur-driven limousines for its distinguished guests. The Royal Villa of Grand Resort is a lavish holiday home for prestigious guests wishing to escape in paradise and immerse in the luxury of the seaside. Number 5. Lokala Island Resort, Fiji. A very luxurious villa located on its island in the archipelago of Fiji. This hotel has received many positive reviews, many calling it the apex of the world. The guests of the hilltop residence live up on top. High up in the opulent green hills of the Lokala Island, this resort accommodates a 1200 square meters of living space and 11,000 square meter for off-bedroom space. The residence has its own panoramic pool landscape and special service such as a private cook, a chauffeur, and a private nanny. Number 4. Raj Palace Hotel, Jaipur, India. The Raj Palace in Jaipur, Rajasthan is more than 2.5 centuries old palace converted into a grand heritage hotel. The costliest hotel in Asia was built in 1727. It was previously the Maharaja's pavilion as he once resided there. You can even find a museum celebrating India's rich heritage in the presidential suite. Each room is unique and still seems to breathe the spirit of the illustrious guest who once stayed here. The hotel is awarded as the Best Heritage Hotel of India by the Government of India and voted as the leading heritage hotel of the world consecutively for 7 times. Guests can relax in the Raj Palace's swimming pool or schedule a massage treatment at the spa. Number 3. Four Seasons Hotel, New York. Four Seasons is a luxury hotel in New York that opened in 1993. The T.Y. Warner Penthouse Suite is listed at number 3 on the world's 15 most expensive hotel suites. It's among the priciest hotels in America till date. The rooms are exotic, having 360-degree ceiling view, gold and platinum weave fabric amongst other features. The hotel is noted for its luxurious interiors which have an art modern quality. Number 2. Hotel President Wilson, Geneva, Switzerland. The Hotel President Wilson is located on Lake Geneva, near the United Nations building. Visitors in this hotel enjoy magnificent views of the Swiss Alps. The 1800 square meter Royal Penthouse Suite has bulletproof windows. Also, private lifts take you straight to your apartment, amongst other luxuries. The Royal Penthouse, which is 12-bedroom suite occupying the entire 8th floor, is considered to be the world's most expensive suite. At the top, we not only have the most exorbitant hotel, but also the answer to the riddle that I asked earlier. A submarine. Lovers' deep luxury submarine, St. Lucia. Yes, you heard it right. This underwater luxury is actually a hotel, and not just a hotel, but the world's most expensive hotel with a ludicrous rate of $150,000. It is docked in the harbor of St. Lucia, a tropical Caribbean island. This hotel is the very definition of the My Low Club.